So here we have our Freeman 4-in-1 mini flooring nailer. We're going to be reattaching the brad nailer or the quick release nose onto the nailer after we have removed the flooring base. So the first part we need is this piece right here. We're going to take it and then take our quick release latch and we're going to slide it right into place like so. Okay, you want to make sure that your holes line up here to where the pin will go in once you set it inside the nailer. So once we have that together and lined up, now it won't stay together, it's loose, it's just resting. We take the nose of the nailer and we set it right in between the two brackets here where the pin will end up going in. We just rest it in place. We will then take our pin, this piece, slide it into the hole and make sure we go through all 5 holes. And once we get that in, give me a second. Okay, so once we get that pin in, lined up through all 5 holes, now our nose piece here is connected. Okay, as you can see, that bar we put in is somewhat loose. Then we take our little rubber O-ring, slide it onto the pin we just put through. Now that's locked into place. You then want to take your thumb latch, pull it forward, hook the bar into the nose, and then press it backwards and lock, and now it's done.